Pidon kam nong shondor ne nong ringdor hakijing kawai jongpi ne kijing kendu sa kan mau jongpi phun shengi ngin penle mangi katkum kajing kwa jongpi kador gababit la kadai mensi ne menmin pranyo lai ariwei sau iwei.
The committee had submitted its report and we had accepted the report in total in the cabinet today. And we will be making this report public so that everybody can see the contents of the report. I'll just, for this brief information of the press and the public at large, I'll just share a few of them. There are too many of them for me to go through all. But broadly, there was a short-term and there were long-term measures. So short-term measures included options of having multiple boards so that interviews can be done at a faster pace, setting up of interview protocols of how interviews, in what process and system it should be conducted, proposals like recuse from interview process in case any of the member has a family member who's being interviewed, so the person can recuse him or herself, ensuring that we are able to have declaration of assets and liabilities, including the chairman and members of the committee, annual calendar of the Mpsc, preparation of annual reports by the commission, creation of a grievance cell, the roll numbers of candidates not to be changed in between the recruitment process, notification of marks for personal interview, the ratio of the candidates to number of vacancies be publicized, obviously question papers to be highly confidential to avoid any leakage, and the procedure for that also has been explained. No changes to be made in recruitment process once the process has started. Public disclosure of marks secured by candidates in any examination, other tests and personal interviews for any post conducted by the commission. Release of answer keys after examination and specific time frame to be given for challenging the answer key, and addressing any complaints related to corruption and vigilance in the Mpsc through the Meghalaya Lokayukta Act 2014, and some other smaller measures. As I said, this will be publicized and shared with the public at large, so you can always go through it. Apart from that, in the medium term and long term, there were some suggestions. Number one was that we should have computer-based tests. Number two was the strengthening of the Mpsc cells, whether it's in Bhoi or in Tura. Combined competitive examinations, which means that examinations for the same qualification and same scale could be combined together to avoid any kind of repetition and any delay. Discontinuation of the optional paper, which, as you are aware, we have already done last time for NCS exams, and we will be doing for the other exams also in the coming days. So these are the basic things that were mentioned by the committee. And in addition to this, the cabinet has suggested that we should also add that all the interviews, there should be Cctv and proper recording done during the interview process, and cameras should be there so that if there is any kind of question or any issue that arises, then those can be referred to. So this suggestion we have added as a cabinet, and as I said, this will be made public. I'll just show it to you. So this is the report that has come in, and we'll be making this public so that everybody can see it.
Pidon kam projector ban peni film ne pidon kam projector nak bentai ki awareness program jongpi phun singi ni ai wai shapi pran nyau lai wei khandai hendru iwe ar nyau lai